Rohan, here's something I have noticed.
Hmm.
Advice doesn't require experience.
Mm-hmm.
You know what it requires?
What?
Confidence.
Acha.
If you say something confidently enough,
Hmm.
it automatically becomes life advice.
For example?
You should invest in property, you should drink warm water, you should get married early, you should meditate
Or you
daily.
should get married.
हाँ,
वो भी है.
हाँ, हाँ.
At this point, you're not sure if you're talking to a financial advisor, you're talking to a nutritionist, or someone who's a very enthusiastic uncle, I'm telling you.
And honestly, Rohan, this is exactly why I enjoy doing this podcast with you.
Yeah, why? Because you get to give me advice publicly, that's why.
No, because here we actually question advice instead of blindly following it.
Acha, okay.
And we belong to two different generations.
Hmm.
So I like
Which are
to
way
take
apart.
yeah. And I get to learn so many things from you.
Hmm.
I hope you also learn
Yes, of
something
course.
from me.
Of
So
course.
it's a exchange
Banter.
exchange of advice.
Exchange of advice.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. No,
Yeah.
but today now that ये topic हम लोगों ने छेड़ा है, we are going to talk about unsolicited advice.
Yeah.
The advice which is not needed from the other person.
But
And we all have most of the people around us who do that for us.
true that.
Hmm?
Very true.
मतलब आबादी भी इतनी नहीं होगी जितनी एडवाइस आते हैं लोगों से. Don't you agree with that?
Of course.
Hmm.
बट कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज बोलते हैं ना, वैसे कुछ कुछ एडवाइस ब्लेसिंग
मतलब
के
अच्छा अच्छे भी होते हैं.
अच्छे भी होते हैं. जैसे कुछ दाग अच्छे होते हैं, वैसे कुछ एडवाइस भी अच्छे होते हैं. एंड यू शुड एक्सेप्ट दैट.
कोई दाग अच्छे नहीं होते. That is just for the branding they have done. I
क्यों
feel
चांद पे
like.
दाग है तो
चांद धोने वाले हो जाके. कपड़ों पे दाग. Anyway, that's not the point. That's not the topic. But yeah, some advice it really helps you, and it is about how you take it. अगर आपका ईगो बीच में आ जाए नहीं करेगा हाँ उसको क्या बोलना है बोलने दो मैंने. बट इट हैज एक्चुअली हेल्प मी व्हेन आई हैव थॉट अबाउट इट द सेकंड टाइम व्हेन आई हैव सेड दैट ओके दिस पर्सन सेड दिस देन आई शुड एक्चुअली एटलीस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट.
या.
And it has actually helped me. For me, see, the most advice people give me is you should eat more because you look very thin, you look very weak. बचपन से not बचपन में I was a little गोलू मोलू, but since I turned 14, 15, I have been very slim and lean and that kind of.
तुम्हें वो
person.
बोलते हैं, मुझे बोलते हैं कम खाना करो, वजन कम करो.
I mean, first of all, why do people relate weight and food? I don't understand because that has no connection absolutely.
हाँ.
Okay. So the advice is, अरे तू gym जा, which I do obviously, and if they see my workout, they'll be like, okay, you इतना, and then they say, अरे इतना करने के बाद तू अच्छा खाता नहीं होगा, then they'll see my good diet also, then मिला अरे खाने के बाद भी नहीं, then you should go and test for
So
कुछ हुआ
probably
तो
it
नहीं
is
है,
out
then
of concern, na?
no, not
They don't want to
everybody
put
does.
you
No,
down,
no.
na?
It's just that because there is no other topic to talk on, they will go on.
हाँ. अभी
talking
कभी
about it.
see
But
to
come here, let me finish my point. A couple of times, people who have advised me what to do, I have taken that advice, and that has actually helped me in my physical growth, in my health, nutrition, physique, and everything. So I just sometimes wonder, अगर वो मैंने advice नहीं लिया होता, तो I would have remained there only. So there are two people out of the crowd who will genuinely want to help you.
yeah.
And I feel like the person who not only gives you advice, but they'll actually guide you also through it.
Yeah.
That is the right person who really wants to give that piece of advice. Yeah.
Sometimes I feel the conversation starter could be a piece of advice, and from there the conversation starts. Yeah, like suppose if I didn't know you well, okay, and you're coming in the studio for the first time, I'll say hi, hello, and then probably this. I had seen your picture, and you were looking quite healthy in that picture, but now I can like.
Yeah. It happens. No. This I have to face it on an everyday level. Like they say, "Arey, but Rohan, you used to be so chubby," and I'm like, that was 7th standard. But what are you talking about right now? That I get a lot. And another piece of advice I keep getting is to get married,
Huh.
which is there, and I'm open to that. But then don't make it a big issue, no. And you know what? You should get married now only, otherwise you will not find someone. or there is a certain age when it happens,
yeah.
and then after that it becomes very difficult. तुम लड़की लेके आओ ना, इतनी चीज है.
बट लड़की लेके आए तो भी तुम अच्छी तो नहीं लगती है, नहीं
Who
तो
says that?
I've shown
If you introduce me to someone who's absolutely not compatible, then it's a different thing. But if you're saying like, "Arey Rohan," and the worst is you, oh my God, you're so good looking and you're just doing so well, you're such a nice person, and तब भी नहीं मिली. I'm like, इसीलिए तो नहीं मिली. That's how it is. तो लेके आओ. Is my this thing. So people have misconceptions also,
yeah.
and preconceived notions also. तो उसकी वजह से भी advice आ जाता है.
Yeah, and another thing is कि मुझे लगता है कि when you feel that unsolicited advice, when it's coming from a particular person, person you're not fond of.
Fond of de tali.
Okay. तो उससे आएगा तो unsolicited लगता है, but sometimes they also, like, you are not fond of them, but probably that other
they
person,
are fond of
yeah,
you.
and they are telling
Genuinely
you out of concern.
हो सकता है. So then this is the second piece of advice I get on marriage and everything. And they only try to tell me what kind of girl is right for me, okay? That's also
that's none of their business,
exactly.
right?
Third is when I tell them that I want to explore and I want to work and live abroad, I keep on telling them, क्यों हमारा देश इतना अच्छा है, बाहर क्यों जाने, पता है बाहर की लाइफ कितनी स्ट्रगल में होती है and all of that. I'm like, I know that.
Yeah.
But have
and
you tried
want to
it?
figure out it yourself.
And no. These people have never tried it. Advice
yeah.
directly.
Yeah,
ऐसा करो वैसा करो. But I like the people who say that, okay Rohan, if you want to do it, I know someone out there, you can talk to them. Talk to that person, get on the field, know your facts, and then take your decision. I love such people who give me advice on that level. Ki they help me also to go forward, but they at the same time they also make me aware of it. You know, that's what.
Can I count myself in that?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
Thank
and
you.
I also feel like we'll come to your things also. आपके किस्से advices के who gave you advice I'm talking about. The more advice you receive unsolicited, you become more cautious when you give an advice to someone.
Yes.
Like today when I came by Uber, he was a very good driver. He was a nice person, but he was honking a lot, and you know how I'm irritated by honking. So while I was stepping out, he's like, "Sir, अच्छे star देना." And I'm like, "Yes, but एक piece of advice, horn कम बजा." And he's like, "Okay sir, sure, thank you for that." And then I gave him 5 stars. Otherwise I was going to give him 4 stars. So that's also important. You need to know how to give the advice.
जैसे तुम्हारा honking का है, वैसे मेरा spitting का है.
I know you
I
keep.
get
I know.
very irritated, and but I have seen out of 10, 8 people especially the auto rickshaw fellows, they say, "अच्छा मैडम सॉरी, अभी नहीं करूँगा."
हाँ.
तो आई फील कि हाँ, कि कुछ तो काम हुआ है. ठीक है, दो लोगों ने नहीं किया है. देव से कि कहाँ पे थूकेंगे, कहाँ पे करेंगे, अभी रिक्शा चलाते वक्त क्या ये करेंगे क्या. तो आई से डोंट ईट गुटखा. नहीं तो रिक्शा में रखो ना, कुछ बर्तन रखो या एक बैग रखो जिसमें आप थूक सकते हो. बट लाइक यू नो दे एरोगेंटली से कि नहीं ये ऐसा नहीं होता है. बट एटलीस्ट 8 people out of 10 they say sorry, and I'm hoping कि next time whenever they spit, they remember my face and नहीं करेंगे.
Remember your face and spit? What? So what kind of advice you have received, or you get, or you receive on a large scale?
That's what I meant.
Yeah, we get it. But okay, what piece of advice you generally receive that annoy you or whatever?
Health का, and I know they are so concerned about me. They want me to live longer, so that's why they give me that advice. But somehow I get irritated because what I'm doing is whatever suits me. What I feel happy doing it, I do that.
Correct.
Okay. Parenting के तो कितने advices मिले, I don't know. And it used to irritate me यार, but I would listen to them patiently that time. See, I'm a single mother. Correct. And बहुत सारे parenting के advices मिले यार, and to the point that I used to feel guilty. Am I a good mother? Am I bringing up my children in a proper way? बहुत बार ऐसे होता था. Correct. But then लेकिन I would think to myself like बहुत सारी चीज़ें, then I would do pros and cons, and then I
Right.
said नहीं ठीक है, I'm on the right path.
Correct.
Okay, but just because your kid has not followed this unconventional path, you can't say I'm a bad parent.
Correct.
I mean, just because your kids have followed that so-called conventional path, they have got married at the right age or whatever, so they are good kids, and my kids are not good kids, and I'm a bad mother.
Yeah.
I mean, I have to know my kids' psychology. I have to see their uh, uh, strong points or weak points, and accordingly, I have to
Yeah.
handle the situation.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
You are an outsider. You are watching them through some other chashma,
Acha.
right? And I'm wearing a mother's chashma. So
Yeah.
let me see how I can be better than you telling me.
Correct.
Yes,
You know, has this ever happened like it happens with me generally? And I think the audience will also relate to it. Many a times when two people are having a normal conversation, suddenly there comes a potential advice giving moment. Like, for example, say we are having food, and I say that, something is missing in this food, yaar, but I like it this way. Then you will say that, next time add this to it and have. I'm not going to follow that advice. It is just the momentary advice.
Yeah.
Does this happen a lot of times?
A lot of
It
time.
generally
Probably I
happens.
also give that advice.
It generally happens, when there is medical stuff involved. You know what you should do, Rohan? You consult this doctor for this. So and so homeopathy. Don't go for allopathy, go for homeopathy. And this is the doctor, it will help you. And then for that moment, I'll be like, Acha, this person, kya show me his. Okay, I'll definitely do it, which never happens. It is just to respect the other person's
Yeah.
opinion out there. Or, Acha, ye cream lagao, yaar. No, never use that cream. Always use this cream. Don't use that
They
toothpaste.
try to enforce that.
Yeah. Don't use this toothpaste, use this one. Then you will also acknowledge, Acha, this, okay, tell me the name again. Okay, you can get it on Amazon. No? Yeah, then all that consensus happens, and then ultimately you forget
नहीं
all
और
of that.
ऐसे बार ये भी चीज़ होती है कि someone is trying to thopify on you and then you became so rebellious कि नहीं करना यार, मुझे नहीं करना है. ऐसा भी होता है.
Like, mind your own business.
Yeah.
Like, I remember, like, whenever we travel, then especially when you go to Europe, you get a Schengen visa, which is like the whole of Europe.
Yeah.
There are so many people. अरे एक वीजा मिलता है तो यहाँ भी जाओ, वहाँ भी जाओ, ये भी करो, वो भी
Yeah.
करो. Next time when you go na, then do this country also. And then we just say, अच्छा, this country क्या? Okay. Then but we don't do it.
Yeah, because your way of traveling could be different.
be different.
My way of traveling could be
Yeah.
different. Now, as we were discussing about your mother,
Huh.
like for her, probably as you said, कि for 1 or 2 treks are enough.
Yeah.
But for me, I like to spend enough time at one place rather than going 3-4 places in 4 days.
Huh.
So, and to each its own, yeah.
Yes.
ऐसा.
So let's just say that take advice only when you're paying for that.
वो भी नहीं होता है ना काफी बार.
Like
You're
a
paying-
nutritionist or a
Yeah.
counselor or anyone for that matter. If you're paying for it, then that advice is,
Not
जब भी met वो dialogue है ना,
necessarily,
आप
ना.
ये जो बता रहे हैं ये फ्री में है या इसके आप पैसे चार्ज करते हैं? Then he say, नहीं ये तो मुफ्त का ज्ञान है. अच्छा, तो चिल्लर नहीं है मेरे पास. That happens so many times with me, that you're giving me this advice, but I'm not paying you for this. Do you know that?
हाँ.
That way. But I think it also stems, we were just discussing that day, it also stems sometimes from an insecurity you yourself have.
हाँ.
So you feel like giving advice to the world.
Yeah.
वो भी होता है कई बार.
हाँ.
Or somebody is pestering upon you advice
Yeah.
things. So you do the same thing to other people then. It's like a cascading effect. So many a times people don't understand the other person's point of view. They directly thopify advice.
Yeah.
That also happens. And see, कोई stranger दे देना कोई आपको, तो then you don't. Actually, if a stranger gives you an advice, it's
वो
actually a
अच्छा
good
भी
thing.
लगता है काफी बार because it's a
very
neutral,
generous
yeah.
thing from them. But अपने घर वाले जब देते, when they don't know about you anything,
हाँ.
that is the worst thing, because that is emotionally also hurting at times.
What I have followed so far with my kids, that if they want to do a particular thing, I give them the pros and cons as per my perspective or as per my experience, and then I leave it to them, the decision. And so far, touchwood, it has worked best for all of us. And मैं उनको बोलती हूँ कि अगर कुछ wrong हुआ, you are going to be responsible for that. Don't hold me responsible for that.
Right.
Because I have done my work of telling you कि ये किया तो ऐसे से होगा, ये किया तो ऐसे से नहीं होगा.
Correct.
So that's how I follow. And the same thing I follow with you also. Like I know that sometimes probably you don't require my advice, but you are like my son. So out of concern, I give you that advice, and then it's up to you whether you take it or leave it.
Yes.
So,
Another advice I feel people give is about career. Like that's a strong portion of advice that people give. Ki what career you should choose. So many a times that is also misleading. But in my case, पहले मुझे लगता था ना, why is he or she preaching me about my career? Now I actually respect the advice that they give me that time. Life skills also, and about career also, because now I realize that they were elder to me, so they know more about the world and about who I am, etc. And I was being a rebel at that time, saying that no, I
can
want
so
to do
relate
this.
to it.
Yeah, but it's also the way you say that, the way
The
you give an
tone,
advice,
yeah.
the tone, and the, you know, kabhi kabhi hota na that, listen, I understand you and I respect it, but my advice to you is this.
Yeah.
Because I'll know a little bit more than you, and I want the best for you.
Yeah.
So अगर आप वैसे शब्द इस्तेमाल करें, and if you know the knack of advising the other person, nothing like that. उसका age, like now, if somebody advises me, then I'll have open ears.
Yeah.
I'll be like, please tell me, give me an advice on what I'm doing right now, because I'm open. When you're younger, na, you have that rebel kind of attitude, you have much of ego, and you're not that mature enough. So there should be a knack of advising young kids, so that they will at least, save a lot of time, energy, and stuff like that.
And similarly, I feel that even elders should take advice from young generation.
Yeah. So that's so underrated.
क्योंकि उन लोग का exposure probably is more than what we got.
And it's relating to what the world is right now also.
So that time you shouldn't say कि अरे तू क्या मेरे को सिखा रही है और सिखा रहा है. You know, and now my daughter Rashnika, she to always tells me, Mama, you are a very bad judge of people, which I really agree, because from what I do, it doesn't help me every time, but still अभी है वो मेरे जहन में. I give benefit of doubt to everyone.
Correct.
Though मुझे पता है कि this person is doing something wrong, but still I give benefit of doubt.
Correct.
And what she tells me, that every time you should not do that.
Right.
Because you are losing. So don't do that.
Right.
So, and I take that advice and I'm trying to work on it.
Good.
And there are many other advices, like, abhi, suppose whenever I'm editing, I show my kids कि देखो इसमें editing बराबर हुआ है, what you feel. If I say, अरे तुम लोग तो कुछ करते नहीं हो, मैं करती हूँ YouTube पे, मुझे पता है.
Yeah.
I'm not going to learn that. One has to be a learner.
Yeah.
Okay, then, and egos नहीं रखना चाहिए कि अरे वो छोटा है, बड़ा है, या गरीब है, या rich है.
Yeah.
तो rich person का advice is हाँ ऐसा भी होता
है. That's
so you should keep your ego aside, and I think you should give a patient ear. And okay, I understand कि कभी-कभी हम लोग वो situation में नहीं होते कि we don't want to listen to any advice. So other person also should respect that
boundary.
Yeah.
But now I feel like if you really follow someone's advice, follow it completely. Don't go halfway. And if you trust someone with advice, then it's nothing wrong in taking their advice voluntarily.
I don't agree. Probably what I would say, that if I want to follow someone's advice, and if I want to give it a slight tweak in my way, I will.
That's always there. But then, say XYZ person has always given me good advice. Or now that I realize that whatever in hindsight I feel he or she has advised was actually right for me, I should have an open heart to go and ask them again on something.
Of course.
So आप उसका leverage that kind of opportunity is also what I particularly feel.
Yeah.
So take advice in a right way also.
Yeah.
And जो ऐसे Mukesh Chabra, casting director, we had taken his classes long back. He used to call such people babloos in acting industry who give you advice about how to get in the industry. So he used to say always stay away from babloos.
हाँ.
तो ऐसे लोग हमारे जिंदगी में होते हैं. तो ये कान ऊपर और यह कान नीचे. यहाँ से सुनो, वहाँ से निकाल दो. So now you should learn the art of doing that also with regards to advice.
Yeah.
और जो
And whatever suits you, you take it. And what
Correct.
doesn't suit you, just leave it.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. So basically what we have learned today is advice is like Wi-Fi signals in India. It's everywhere. Sometimes strong, sometimes weak, and sometimes completely unnecessary.
And the funny thing is, people rarely ask, do you actually want advice? They just start giving it.
Yeah, but to be fair, sometimes advice does help. I would say most of the time.
Yeah, true. Sometimes one small sentence from someone can actually change the direction of your life. And most of the time, people don't want solutions. They just want someone to listen without turning it into a lecture.
Yeah, which is actually a very underrated skill. So maybe the real wisdom is knowing when to speak and when to simply listen.
And that brings us to today's question for you. What is the most bizarre or funniest unsolicited advice someone has ever given you?
And on the flip side, has someone ever given you a piece of advice that actually stayed with you for years?
Carpe diem, my mantra. It's an advice given to me by my friend who is no more. But he had given me this advice and I didn't know the meaning of it. When he said carpe diem, I went home and just researched for कि क्या meaning क्या होता है इसका. And I loved the meaning so much. And it is my brand name now.
That's so nice. That's exactly what this podcast is also about. 2 generations, 2 perspectives, and conversations with no map.
This is Talks Without a Map. See you in the next one.